Let's meet Teddy, a 2024 music education graduate from West Fargo. Teddy's story is about finding the right fit as she pursued her dream of becoming a music teacher. With its nationally ranked education program and first-class music facilities, VCSU prepares Teddy and students like her to share their love of music with high school and elementary students. Tell us your story, Teddy.
Thanks for that introduction, Alex. Since I was a freshman in high school, I knew I wanted to be a music teacher. My first experience at Valley City State University happened when I played at the James D. Ployer Honor Band on campus. This event happens each year for high schoolers, and I attended every one. The warm, fun, and welcoming environment helped me realize that VCSU was the school for me. Graduating from VCSU prepared me to lead my own classroom. As the drum major here in 2023, I planned and ran rehearsals, as well as directed the athletic band on game days. After the basketball and football seasons that year, I felt confident in my abilities to run a pep band. VCSU also provided me with excellent student teaching and practicum placements around the state of North Dakota. As a first-year teacher, I didn't feel as overwhelmed or unprepared as some of my counterparts. All of the first-hand experience I had here helped immensely. The opportunity to visit classrooms and observe teachers around the state gave me connections and ideas for strategies to use in my own classroom. I made a lot of lifelong friends during my time at VCSU. I also have great relationships with former and current faculty members. Whenever I have a question in my own classroom, I know there's a person I can call for a good conversation. With the successful first year teaching behind me, I'm excited to be back and working in Valley City as the 7th through 12 band and choir director at Valley City Public Schools. The school year's already got off to a great start. That's my story so far. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Teddy, we are so impressed with your skills and passion for teaching kids the joy of music. VCSU's teacher education programs are well known for preparing students to lead their own classrooms, and their education degrees are offered both on campus and online. Best wishes, Teddy.